here, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup review on the Saharan by Juvia's Place palette. My lovely mother gave it to me, and you guys, I'm in love. It's literally brand new. I just cannot look at the pictures and everything. It's just beautiful. So here's the colors, you guys, and for today's video I'm just gonna be using two colors. I'm a very one color woman, so I'm gonna be using Fula and Iman. So let's get into it. Okay, you guys, here is my final look. I really hope I'm doing this look justice, you guys. The Saharan by Juvia's Place. I love it. Julia's palette. Yeah, so I love this palette. Super pretty. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I know the lighting sucks in here, but it's not really doing it justice. But I'm rushing, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Get ready with me. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.